Hello again. So let's see now what we can scan and then go to the ethalons and see what we can reprint. Let's go to let's say that someone has lymph problems and can switch to the manual and just scan this. I mean, if as I could see, if somebody has lymph problems, that usually problem is somewhere else, because as I see, the lymphs are just cleaning, but they don't have time for to clean it all. So you have to scan even deeper. But for now, let's see the ethalons. Okay, of course, you can see microorganisms of pathomorphology, but let's go to the let's say the emotional matrix. Maybe there is some problem, but it's like see the abuse, muscle tension, difficulty in assigning, passion, suspicion, but it's 0.8, so it's not very big problem. I can go to the gemstones. Now also we have an inner self problem. Here is also high 1.4, so it's not that of not very useful ethalon. We can say respiratory. Actually, I'm searching for the toxins. You can see in personal toxins, it's a 1 point. I mean, everything below 0.4 is good. This is high, but for demonstration of this part, I will go and reprint this. So I go reprint. Of course, this is negative. Thing intestinal toxins. So I have to invert this. And then I will use the program and say invert this. And if I click on this, it will go and start preparation for as long as you leave it on. If you want to stop start preparation, you have to click on escape, and then it will not click anymore on start preparation. So if I click on this, it will go for forever till you hit the escape button. So right now program is checking if this is still working, and after it stopped working, it will check and see, oh, the printer has stopped, and it will carry on. It will click again here, and it will carry on preparation. So as you can see, intestinal toxins. That means, yeah, that every time the this part lymphs are in bad shape, you have to search even deeper to see where does it come from, because the body has yeah, is the lymph are cleaning, so you have to see where the problem does come from. Okay, as I always suggest is like do it for 5 times each problem. Now I will hit escape button. It will now finish the reprinting, and after that I will go even further. If you, let's say that here is of course the less number, like 0.4 or and less, then you click again the second one, and then you go to the reprinter, and then you hit the auto remedy preparation, and then leave it for 5 or 6 times. Of course you can even go further, like for an hour or 2, or a day or a week. So, but usually 5 times is more than enough. But you can always test and see if that is if the remedy is better for 5 of more of if you leave it longer for 1 day, as an example. So okay, so right now it did 2 times. Now it's done. If I hit escape, I can even go like to constipation, tobacco, alcohol, and all other things. The same principle is, of course, for all those ethalons. Then you can, like now is 0, like lymph diseases, it's 0.9, so you can go and do the same for this one or this one, and then hit the reprinter. Of course, if something is negative, like this is disease, you have to invert it, and then you have this inv sign here. All right, that's it for today, and have a nice day.